Hi friends, welcome to Turning Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon while you subscribe to the channel so you'll receive all the notification when I am posting new videos or the community post. Usually the small updates I will provide in my community tab. So today we are going to discuss about Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited. You can see here 12 days back I updated one video. In that video I mentioned that Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar will perform on coming days, and the reason also I mentioned in that video. You can watch that video, and I specified on that video the coming days the demand for sugar in India will multiply and that will get benefited to the sugar industry, and the major beneficiary will be the Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited, because in the sugar sector Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar is the most undervalued stock in India and which is the largest in Asia itself. So Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited is the largest sugar factory in Asia. So it's very undervalued stock for the meantime. Currently lot of changes happened to its financial. All the farmers' dues was cleared and also the debit got restructured. Many things was happened to the company currently, and promoters increased the stake during the last quarter. If you watch my previous videos, I mentioned very clearly during that time the rebound of the company's fundamental and the involvement of the management to bring the company back to track. So it's happening right now, and during this time the heavy demand for sugar occurred in international market, and also government of India is moving ahead with the flex engines. So the ethanol manufacturing, and also the government of India increased the blending capacity of ethanol. The Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited is the largest producer of ethanol in India and largest producer of sugar in India. While we look at today's trading pattern, you can see here today in both NSE and BSE, Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited closed at 10% circuit. It closed at upper circuit. You can see here 18.75. It was traded at 9.97% in NSE, and total volume was traded 1.6 crore shares traded. Out of that 71% taken delivery, because in the early morning it was open at 17.05 rupees per share. After that suddenly hit to the upper circuit 18.75. And when we come to BSE, you can see here it closed at 9.18%, 18.67 rupees per share, and on the last moment it got locked in upper circuit at 18.67. When we look at the total volume traded is almost 50 lakh shares are traded in BSE. Out of that 41.45 lakh shares taken delivery, which is almost 81.76%. So in NSE and BSE someone grabbed the share, some huge investors taken delivery in both NSE and BSE. It was expected. In BSE itself almost 9.30 crores worth shares traded, and when we come to NSE, you can see here almost 28.82 crore worth shares traded. Out of that almost 75 to 80% average taken delivery. So you can imagine that almost 25 crores someone invested in Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited and they were taken delivery. So the free floating shares will get reduced. So if someone want to invest 25 crore when the stock is trading at 52-week high, you can imagine on coming days how Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited will perform. So those who are holding Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited, please hold, because we recommended Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited at very lower level and we are holding since long time, and our target is very high. When I was recommended this Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited, our long time target I given was almost 96 rupees per share, and when we come to the current market capitalization is almost 2,384 crore market capitalization is there, and the company's potential is almost 8,000 to 10,000 crore potential is there. So from here the company can trade almost 5 to 6 times without any hurdle. Maybe it will take another 1 year, 1.5 years, but surely Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited can be a excellent multi-bagger on coming years. So this is the time we have to hold Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited. Please don't take fresh entry for the short term gains in Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited, because there will be lot of operators and everyone they are expecting the upcoming Q4 result, the positive Q4 result. As you know, the Indian stock market is driven by many operators, and sometimes the fundamental of the company will not even considered by them. So that's the reason I am saying, please don't take it on short-term perspective, take it on long-term perspective. Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited will perform well and will give you good result, good return, and you will never get disappointed. So we may expect on coming days also the similar trend, and always maintain the strategy to book and always maintain the strategy to take out your asset once it reach almost 100% gain, and hold your profit to grow. So even if there is a small correction, you will not get disappointed, you will not be get worried. Now you can see in Ajanta Soya Limited how it is performing. Already we have taken out our asset and we are holding the profit, and we don't have any tension right now. And Shivaling Bimetal, you can see how the company is performing, almost 3 times given the return, and still we are holding it. That is our profit, we don't have any tension. And when we go to NLC India in the same way, IRCTC Limited in the same way, there are many companies, Texmo Pipe, many companies we are holding our profit to grow. Once we taken out our asset, we will not be having any tension. So Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited also we have to follow the similar strategy, because our long term target will take some more time. That will not be happen in one day or two. So it will take some time. So we have to wait patiently to achieve our target. So once we taken out our asset, we will not be having any tension. Possibly Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited, we will be able to take out our asset on coming weeks. Let the result come, either before the result or after the result, we will take out our asset and we will hold the profit to grow. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I will add my recommendation video of Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited in the description box. You can watch that video. Already I have made a detailed video and I specified how Bajaj Hindusthan Sugar Limited can be a multi-bagger. So you can watch that video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and always we follow fundamental in investment. Never we will do gambling. You can find many channel, they are following gamblings, but never we will follow that. That's the reason all our recommendations are doing good. All multi-bagger recommendation videos we given till the date, everything is performing well. So you can refer to the membership options. All the multi-bagger recommendation videos are available from members Emerald onwards, and you can refer to the Elite membership. So you will be getting access to the Wealth Creator stock series. The stock series contains of 50 videos. So these 50 stocks are the premium stocks in Indian stock market. You can create a watch list and you can keep on accumulating like an SIP. So always in Indian stock market, our strategy will work. If our strategy is good, we will not lose our wealth and we will keep on gaining. So once again, thank you very much, and thank you very much for subscribing to the channel, and kindly stay tuned.